So there is the controller. Managed to fix it. Yeah, this is how it looks. What I changed, so this is from M controllers. Like I said, I broke the ribbon cable. Like I said, this one and this will cost more than £100 to fix, which this maybe costs £2, so 20 cents to make. And I asked them to send me by the post. They said they know that I have to send the controller to them. They don't sell any parts, so I said I'm not gonna do it because it costs too much money for only this part. And I found solutions on the internet, so I changed these ones, custom. No, maybe I pay £10 for this. I don't remember. For extreme rate, I can pop it out and change it like this, and have like different ones like that if I need. So I put the back paddles. You can see here. I will show. So that I will show you that this works. They have the aim controllers gives you KS because KS TMR sticks, TMR sticks from K Silver. KS means K Silver. I'm gonna show you here now. Press the button. Test circularity. Back and forward. Not that bad. 7 5.5. I installed TMRs from Gillikits to normal to this ones. This one and this is 4%, 4.5, 4%, 3.5, 4%, and circle. Just a little bit better than K Silver. Okay, so like you see, the back paddle works. You can see right here. So if I press this, they work pretty smooth. It feels cheap. These are too flexible. If they were a little bit more. Sorry about this. This is late when I'm filming, so recording. So they're working. And now I'm gonna show you how to do it. Just press the PS button. It flashes. Remember, yes, every time you remap, you have to remap all the buttons because it resets to like from the beginning. So it flashes purple here. We're going to remap. So I have you press the button you want to remap. Like for example, this button and this button. Let me show you together. Press these two in the same times. It flashes once the light. You take it off. Then I need to slide this button with this button. Press. It flashed. And then I do this button with this button. Press. Flash. And this button with X with the icon. Flash. Then you press again this. Disappeared. And there we are. Buttons are there. I will show you as well in the game. Is the game on? No, the game range. You can see I press this recharge. This to change the weapon. Yeah, jump and slide. I know I'm not used. And you can see it works perfect. The controller is very good. Thank you for watching, guys. This was my journey to fix my controller that was broken. I managed, it's working, everything is working fine. I have no problem whatsoever. It seems to work very good. So see you next time. If you like, please, if you like the video, please subscribe. If you dislike the video. If you have any questions, please feel free. I will leave videos in descriptions from where I bought the kit and everything, how to remap this for turbos and everything. It has multiple function. That there is a video from the company that sells this kit. You can check and how to do it more there. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.